Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word mountain in British English. So here's the script taken from the Cambridge Dictionary. Just to give you some context, I'm from the central part of England, so I've chosen to go with the Cambridge script because it feels like the most relatable version of the language for me. However, please be aware that there are many beautiful accents of English. So what we're working with is a standard, but you are going to hear native speakers pronouncing words slightly differently to the standard based on their own regional accent or dialect. So just hold that in mind. But what we're working with here is a standard version. So what we can see is the blue dot tells us this word is broken down into two chunks, two syllables. And the blue mark top left tells us that our strongest syllable is syllable number 1. So let's say the word together, focusing on stress first of all. So repeat after me, stressing syllable 1, mountain. Again, nice and loud, repeat after me, mountain. Good. So let's take a look at the sounds then. In syllable 1, we've got some potential causes of problems, I think. First of all, we've got the m and the n sounds. Now, for both of these are nasal, so they happen up in the nose. To make the m, we need to bring the lips together, and it forces the sound up into the nose. And with the n, the n, the tongue is actually the thing that creates that blockage in the mouth. So the m, is created by bringing the lips together. That forces the air up to the nose. But the n, actually the lips are open, and it's the tongue pressing on the top of the mouth that pushes the air up into the nose. If you are somebody who struggles with the m, n or n distinction, don't worry. I'll put some links below in the description to help you work with your m and n sounds. So we've got those two consonants which sometimes cause confusion for people. And then the vowel. When we write this word, M-O-U-N, we've got that O and that U, and sometimes people are tricked into trying to make two individual vowel sounds, depending on what the rules are in your own first language. In English, we've got this double vowel. So the vowel in this syllable is ow. Moun is what we've got, moun, ow. So those two, there are technically two vowel sounds happening, but they happen together as a double vowel. So what we need is a glide, ow, ow, moun. Repeat after me, moun. So again, I'll put a link below to a video that will help you with ow if that's something you struggle with. That's one of the two main areas where people make mistakes with this word. So syllable 1, repeat after me, moun. Syllable 2 then, nice short one, tin. Tin, like in the word tin can. So we've got the t, I, n. So we've got another nasal N sound. The number 1 mistake that I hear with this word is with this syllable, and it's the vowel. When you write it, T-A-I-N, it looks like it should be tain. And I've heard so many people say the word mountain instead of mountain. So a native speaker, certainly from where I'm from, is going to say mountain. But many of my students mistakenly say mountain because they see the A-I-N. So that's my top tip for this video. It's tin, not tain. So taking the script all together as a chunk, repeat after me, paying close attention to your vowels, mountain. And there it is in the script, the orthography, mountain. So our two top tips, our takeaway points for the day, relate to the vowels. It's ow and in. or I at the end. So maun, aun, tin, in. Fantastic. So now you know how to pronounce the word mountain in a really clear way that hopefully everybody's going to understand. Top tip is think about those vowels. So if you haven't already, subscribe so you can stay up to date with new content. Hit like if you found that useful. Feel free to leave me a comment. Have you accidentally mispronounced the word mountain previously? It's really common, so if you have, don't worry. And of course, you could share this on your social media so that other people can come along and enjoy the channel. There's the homepage. You'll find lots of pronunciation work on there and also a growing sample of IELTS preparation materials. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a lovely day.